Good evening, Bios Baptist Church. I have something I feel I should show you. I am going to show you the facility at Nazareth. Well, I am going to show you the facility right now. So as you see right now, we are in the corporate prayer room or in the group room. This is our new fire door, and it is alarmed, I think. Fire only do not block, no re-entry. This is our new dry erase board. So at top it has a candle holder, and if you wonder what that long protruding thing does, well, this, if you go here, it's a light. It lights up the board so you can see it at night. Because you see how dark it is out here. So it's specific to the board. We have had few classes complain that they can't see at night. So I thought we'd give them that luxury to finally be able to. The bridge is chipping apart because women won't stop the scuffing. They scuff my bridge with their high heels every Sunday. Not complaining, it just happens. We are extending this path back around to the pulpit. It's not finished yet, but it's almost. There's going to be a chair here, right in the center of this flashlight beam. These irises are expected to grow up to create a privacy wall, and there's going to be a chair there at the end of there, that path there. This is the exit. So this little wall, this barricade that you see, all these flowers, this is the old outline of the old prayer garden. This stone path is expected to continue to the pulpit. That is the original prayer bench. The fountain has just been modified. Pulpit, center cross, right where the podium always have been, was destroyed by the constant use of the pulpit. So that is going to get fixed. You see, there's a 6-foot hole under this bridge. Water backed up onto the bridge after the snowstorm. All the snow melted and went under the bridge. One thing we did manage to do, one goal that we did manage for 2017 is readjusting the gate so that the stop sign would be on the outside and would be equal, and putting benches outside of the north Sally Port, as well as Bios Baptist Church sign. Mind you, those reflectors I've already shown you hundreds of times. Probably tired of looking at those reflectors. So if you want to know what the true purpose of this video is, we're trying to show you why there was no video, real video Monday or Tuesday, or why Monday and Tuesdays were makeup videos. That's what I'm showing you. We painted over all of our light poles, and we added more stepping stones. In case you can see, some of them are raised up and some of them are brand new. some of them, this used to be silver, the top, now it's black. So as you can see all these additions, now you see why. And it's late. All the lights are still on. Something you'll never see. The Judas lobby. Fire exits were added. This is a fire exit only lobby. You cannot enter the church through this lobby. As appealing as it do seem to do so. Cannot. That will be today's video. We will resume normal vlogs beginning tomorrow. Have a good day. May God bless you.